Hi there, I'd like to make a recording about my aligners. The reason why I've chosen Straight Teeth Direct is because I didn't want to go to a dental hair for me to find an appointment, etc. So this way I can just take pictures whenever I can in the evenings and send them over, get replies straight away or even the next day, which is quite straightforward. These are the aligners. You get them in a box like this, very pretty. Open them up, and I just got mine actually last week, so they're all individually packed away with codes and numbers. You wear one pair for 2 weeks, about 22 hours a day, which is quite good. So you still can take them out when you eat and drink or have a coffee and then put them back on. One thing that I really love that comes with the pack is the toothpaste. It has become one of my favorites. It's actually in a hiding place, so not the whole family uses it and it goes out as quickly as it possibly can. Let me just show you quickly again. They're quite invisible. I'll just put these ones on, which I'm using currently. Ta-da! Voila, sexy. I'm very happy because you can actually see the changes as quickly as possible. I saw mine within 6 weeks. I think the first day would be the one where you feel it the most, but then you get used to it. It's been about 2 months now and I'm very happy. I do recommend it to everyone and I'm very happy. Thank you very much. Teşekkür ederim. Dankeschön. Straight Teeth Direct.